Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably frustrated with Roblox error code 0X80072EFD, which is a common issue in 2025 related to network connectivity problems. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through simple, effective steps to get you back into the game quickly. This error often stems from issues like firewall blocks, DNS problems, or unstable internet, but with a few tweaks, you'll be playing in no time. First things first, let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and you're not experiencing any outages. Try opening a web page or running a speed test to confirm everything's working. If it's spotty, restart your router and see if that resolves it. Next, Step 2. Restart Roblox and your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. Close the Roblox app completely. Shut down your PC, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Launch Roblox again and check if the error persists. Moving on to Step 3. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software. This error might be triggered by security settings blocking Roblox. Go to your Windows security settings, turn off the firewall for a moment, and try running Roblox. Remember to turn it back on afterward to stay protected. Step 4. Flush your DNS cache. This can clear up any corrupted data causing the issue. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for it in the Start menu. Type ipconfig, flushdns and hit Enter. Then, restart your computer and launch Roblox to test. If these steps don't work, try updating Roblox or your Windows system to the latest version, as outdated software can cause errors. Also, ensure Roblox is allowed through your firewall settings permanently. There you have it. Easy fixes for error code 0X80072EFD. I hope this helps you get back to enjoying your favorite games. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or other errors to tackle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.